Hello and welcome friends. I am a digital mentor Ankit. We are going to start our next topic, advertise across borders. So we have find out the customers, we have start the campaigns. So now we have to advertise across the borders. So before start, just like this video and subscribe this channel with the bell icon press so you can get all the notifications. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, we have to make an advertising across the borders. So if you are planning to expand your business into a new market, you need to plan and help you advertise effectively in your new country. It's possible that customers in a new market will find you through organic search results or through word of mouth. But investing in advertising can help get your name out there much faster. Let's take a look at search advertising, display advertising, and advertising on social media and how they can work together with you. Let's go back to our antique store example. If you are planning to expand your business from India to Germany, you will be probably want to get your website translated and localized into German. That way, when people search for terms like antiques in German, they might come across your website and become your new customers. But if you want to get your business in front of lots of more potential customers, it's good idea to be advertised. Advertising on search results is a great way to get in touch in front of people who are already looking for products like yours. If you are already doing this in your home country, then great. Just translate and adapt your keywords and ads, then make sure that your ads point people to a landing page that's written in the local language. If you are wondering which keywords are commonly searched in your new market, try using a tool like Google Keyword Planner or Bing's Keyword Research Tool, etc. These tools can help you which keywords are popular as well as other useful information like how much they might cost and how many competitors you are likely to face. But what about people who are not already searching for your product? Remember, when you expand into a new market, people are unlikely to be familiar with your business already. Display advertising and social media are two great ways to raise awareness among them. You could start by advertising on their website your audience is visiting online. So, if there is a popular site where German collectors go to discuss their favorite antique item, this could be a perfect place to show your ads. If you need a little help, check out tools like Google Display Planner. They can provide detailed info about where your audience is spending time online. What about Germans on social media? Well, it's a good idea to research which social media sites they are using to you. Is it Facebook and Twitter? Or are there other popular networks? Maybe they have a unique networking site for Germany. Once you have this information, you will be able to use social networks to advertise to Germans who are really interested in antiques. By using a combination of advertising options, you will set yourself up to win customers in your new market. So, okay, let's say you started to get some retention from the customers with customers to your new market. You could now gear your advertising to continue engaging with them and build loyalty. Email marketing is a great way to keep in touch with interested customers over the long term. You can send updates when you have new antiques in stock or special performance. Just keep in mind that each market may have different email marketing laws. You could also try retargeting. This lets you advertise to people who have visited all the way your website based on the things you did there. So you can show ads to people who are interested in your business and encourage them to come back to your site. If someone reads your blog twice a month, they are obviously interested in antiques, so try using retargeting ads to convince them to buy. We have covered a lot, so let's recap quickly. When you expand into a new market, customers probably don't know about your business yet. So you will want to do some advertising as well. You can use lots of different forms of advertising and working all together. Search ads are great for growing your business in a new market, while display ads, social media ads, email and retargeting can also play a really valuable role to you. I hope you like this video. Just hit the like button of this video and subscribe the channel and bell icon to be pressed so that you can get all the notification of our video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.